Introducing Bobilon Micro, our finest and smoothest yarn. Let's explore what it was created for and which crochet and knitting projects it suits best. Notice its even texture and delicate feel. This lightweight yarn is perfect for projects that require fine details. Beautiful stitch definition and an elegant finished look. First, see how it transforms into stunning wall art and charming amigurumi toys with intricate details. For home decor, create cozy blankets, decorative pillows, cozy slippers, and delicate table mats that add a handmade touch to any interior. Bobilon Micro is also an excellent choice for lightweight handbags and accessories. It allows you to create detailed patterns, experiment with color combinations, and achieve a refined professional finish. You can even use it for macramé projects, adding texture and creativity to your designs. Looking for wearable projects? This yarn is ideal for stylish hats and other lightweight accessories that are comfortable to wear and beautiful to showcase. Whether you prefer knitting or crocheting, Bobilon Micro helps bring your most delicate and creative ideas to life, stitch by stitch,